Hello and welcome to this explanation about Autodesk Maya documentation. Autodesk Maya provides a comprehensive Python API that allows you to access and manipulate almost every aspect of Maya. The Maya Python API is well documented with extensive reference, documentation, tutorials, and examples available to help get you started. To access the Maya Python API documentation, you can open the Help drop-down window in the top menu bar on the right and click Maya Scripting Reference, and then Python Command Reference. This will navigate you to the Maya Python API documentation for your version of Maya. Here you will find the complete list of dot notation commands we can access from the Maya Commands module. Here is an import shown below. We can access the skin cluster functionality of a weighted item, or create a polysphere, create Maya sets, or reorder items in the outliner, all done by simply adding the M dot notation before the command and checking the arguments required for our needs. Python in Maya is a very powerful tool. Just remember that these documents are a very large part of your tool belt. You should make sure that you either keep this window open while working and writing new scripts, or you reference it regularly, as functionality is easy to forget and you do not want to spend time writing your own version of a function that Maya has already made for you. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next lecture.